The call from planet Elyra. Across the endless cosmic ocean, Lyra received a signal unlike anything ever discovered. It was not a cry for help, but an invitation sent across the stars. The coordinates led her to Elyra, a planet hidden behind the nebula for millions of years. From orbit, Elyra looked less like a world and more like a living creature. Below the clouds waited a wilderness beyond anything humanity had ever imagined. There, Lyra became the first human to set foot upon Elyra. Every tree was connected, forming a living network across the entire continent. These tiny creatures used color to speak, warn one another, and express emotion. This gentle giant did not eat the trees, but absorbed their excess energy. On Elyra, rivers did not flow toward the sea, they climbed into the sky. Even the predators took only enough to preserve the balance of the forest. Above the forest drifted sky leviathans, creatures as vast as entire cities. Within the forest, Lyra met the Elyri, a people who had evolved alongside nature. They spoke without words, sharing thoughts through light and living memories. The Elyri city was not constructed. It had been grown over thousands of years. Across the planet, the Drokan endured within the unforgiving crystal deserts. They transformed underground heat and pressure into power for their entire civilization. High above lived the Uralis, a people who had never touched the ground. At Elyra's center stood the Heart Tree, connecting every living creature on the planet. A parasite carried by an ancient meteor was draining the Heart Tree's energy. If the Heart Tree died, Elyra's entire web of life would disappear with it. Forest, desert, and sky weakened together, bringing three civilizations toward extinction. Lyra realized that no single race could save Elyra alone. To heal the planet, they had to enter the deepest chamber of the Heart Tree. The Elyri awakened the biological energy sleeping beneath the ancient forest. The Drokan focused the power of millions of crystals into a single beam. The Uralis transformed the atmosphere into a vast network of flowing energy. When the three powers united, the darkness faded, and Elyra's heart awakened again. Elyra was saved not by one hero, but by worlds that chose unity. Lyra returned with a message. Among the stars, we have never truly been alone.